gue Dita. Gue sore ini bakal makan nasi bakar Bali di Palembang. Gimana keseruannya? Ikutin terus.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through.
Oke guys, sekarang gue udah ada di Nongkrong Hai, tepatnya di Jalan Emisa. Jadi guys, gue lagi nunggu pesanan nasi bakar Bali gue. Dan di sini ada minuman legend banget yang cuma ada di Medan, tapi ada di Palembang. Mereknya Badak. Aneh banget kan guys? Unik deh. Oke guys, nasi bakarnya udah datang nih. Langsung kita buka yuk.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand.
Jadi guys, jangan lupa mampir ke Nongkrong Hai di Jalan Emisa. Rekomen banget buat kalian yang nongkrong nggak pakai mahal.
It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true.